The analogy between Iran's current situation and India's 1971 situation, particularly concerning external military intervention and international backing, presents an interesting comparative lens. While there are some superficial similarities, the underlying dynamics and geopolitical landscapes are significantly different. Similarities, as per the prompt's premise. Asterisk involvement in conflict. Both scenarios involve a nation engaged in a significant conflict. In 1971, India was embroiled in the Bangladesh Liberation War with Pakistan. In the hypothetical, or current, depending on the framing, Iranian scenario, Iran is depicted as being in a state of war, with potential direct intervention from Western powers. Asterisk threat of Western intervention. The prompt posits that the US and UK, among others, are coming to attack Iran. This mirrors the US's deployment of the USS Enterprise Task Force to the Bay of Bengal during the 1971 war, which was widely seen as a show of force intended to intimidate India. Key difference, as highlighted in the prompt. Asterisk external major power backing. Asterisk India 1971, Soviet Union's backing. A crucial element of India's strategic success in 1971 was the Indo-Soviet Treaty of Peace, Friendship and Cooperation. This treaty provided a strong diplomatic and, implicitly, military deterrent against US intervention. The Soviet Union's naval presence in the Indian Ocean at the time effectively countered the US fleet, signaling to Washington that direct intervention would risk a larger confrontation with a nuclear-armed superpower. This backing was instrumental in the US eventually withdrawing its intervention threat. Asterisk Iran, as per prompt, lack of robust Russian backing. The prompt specifically states that Iran doesn't have Russia's backing. This is a critical distinction. While Russia and Iran share strategic interests and have deepened ties, particularly in light of Western sanctions, the nature of this relationship is not a direct parallel to the explicit defensive alliance India had with the Soviet Union in 1971. Russia's current geopolitical priorities and capacity might not allow for a direct military confrontation with major Western powers on Iran's behalf, as the USSR was prepared to do for India. Russia's support for Iran has primarily manifested in arms sales, diplomatic support in international forums, and cooperation on regional issues, but a full-scale military commitment to deter Western intervention on Iranian soil is less certain. Additional differences and nuances. Asterisk nature of the conflict. Asterisk India 1971 was primarily a liberation war with humanitarian concerns, genocide in East Pakistan, and India's security interests at its core. Asterisk Iran, hypothetical, current. The nature of the conflict involving Iran is often framed around its nuclear program, regional proxies, human rights record, and direct actions against perceived adversaries, like Israel. The international justification for potential intervention by Western powers would likely differ significantly from the 1971 context. Asterisk global geopolitical landscape. Asterisk Cold War era, 1971, the world was characterized by a clear bipolar struggle between the US and USSR. Regional conflicts often became proxy battlegrounds for these superpowers. Asterisk post-Cold War, multipolar, current. The current global order is more complex. While major powers still exert influence, the dynamics are more fluid, and the direct confrontation between major powers, while a concern, might play out differently. Asterisk economic and military capabilities. While both nations faced external threats, the specific military and economic vulnerabilities and strengths of India in 1971 versus Iran today would vary. In summary, while the idea of a nation facing potential Western intervention while seeking a major power's backing provides a superficial parallel, the specific historical, geopolitical, and military contexts of India in 1971 and Iran today are fundamentally distinct. The absence of a robust, explicit defensive alliance akin to the Indo-Soviet Treaty significantly alters Iran's strategic calculus in such a scenario, making it far more vulnerable to external pressure or intervention compared to India in 1971.